This is a cell. Cells make up every living organism, from a tiny mouse to a giant tree, and even you. If you were to see inside a cell, there will be many small parts within the cell. These small parts are called organelles. These organelles help the cell to do what it needs to do to create a living organism. In a cell, there are many organelles. Each organelle has a specific job. Now we'll get into talking about the different organelles and their jobs. First is the nucleus, also known as the brain of the cell. The nucleus has one of the most important jobs in the cell. It holds the DNA, which tells the other organelles what to do. This DNA is stored in the inner part of the nucleus. Now, the mitochondria, also known as the powerhouse of the cell. The mitochondria creates energy for the other organelles to use to operate an organism. Next, the ribosomes. The ribosomes are very important, for they allow the cell to create proteins and use these proteins to repair itself and use for many other jobs inside the cell. All these proteins that the ribosomes make need to go somewhere, and they need a way to get there. That's where the endoplasmic reticulum comes in. The endoplasmic reticulum is like a pipeline for the cell. They take all the proteins where they need to go. Where are all these proteins being taken, you ask? Well, to the Golgi Apparatus, or the Golgi body. The Golgi body is where all the proteins get sent so that they can be packaged up and sent where they need to be. These packages that the Golgi Apparatus creates have a name. They are called the lysosomes. The lysosomes will crawl across the cell on these other organelles called microtubules to get to the other end. And when they get to the other end, they will emerge from the cell and create a new cell. They're like a package of mini organelles to make new cells with the organelles. Finally, the vacuole. The vacuole is like the waste bin for the cell. It takes all of the failed organelles, mispackaged lysosomes, and keeps them in one place so they're not floating all around the cell. The vacuole is very important because if that was all floating around, it would be caught in the endoplasmic reticulum and sent to the wrong place. Although there are more organelles in the cell, or other types of cell, those are the basic organelles, the most important. Thank you for watching, and